Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of my absolute favorite essential oils, wild orange. So this little bottle of sunshine is packed with benefits that can uplift your mood, energize your day, and even support your overall well-being. If you're ready to learn how to use this incredible oil in your daily life, then stick around. So what exactly is wild orange? Well, it comes from the rind of the sweet orange tree, scientifically known as Citrus sinensis. And unlike neroli, which comes from the bitter orange tree, wild orange is extracted from the sweet variety, making it a fresh and vibrant and bursting with natural goodness. One of the main components of wild orange is limonene, a powerful compound that plays a huge role in how this oil can actually positively affect your mood and your body. So let's talk about the mood boosting magic of wild orange essential oil. So many people love wild orange because it's an instant mood booster. Now let's go over some of the top benefits and the ways that you can use wild orange in your daily routine. It is perfect for workaholics and overachievers who need sustained energy without that jittery feeling when you've had caffeine, because it is energizing without actually being overstimulating. It's calming for sleep. Despite its uplifting properties, wild orange is also an adaptogenic, meaning it supports relaxation and restful sleep when used in the evenings. It supports digestion. So if you experience the occasional bloating or digestive discomfort, try adding a drop of wild orange to warm water and drink it, or rubbing it over your stomach. So try that with your kiddies the next time they complain of any digestive discomfort. It's a natural antibacterial and cleanser, so it's fantastic for cleaning surfaces in your home. So what you do is you take a big bottle, a glass bottle, you put water in there, and you add a half a cup or quarter cup of vinegar and a few drops of your wild orange, say 10 drops of your wild orange, and you clean your home with it. It means it's going to be in your home. It's going to, the aroma is going to dissipate through the air. It's going to be amazing. Next thing that you can do is you can also mix it with some warm water and some olive oil for a DIY wood polish. So great ways to utilize it to get that constant uplifting feeling in your home. It also supports immune health. So it's because of it is a high in antioxidants. This oil can also help to keep your body staying strong and resilient by drinking it, or again using it in your diffuser. If you don't have a diffuser, remember we don't burn essential oils, then use it in your hand and just inhale it. Make yourself a little inhaler. So we've got the most amazing little inhalers, and we've got a workshop coming this week. Amazing little inhalers that you can make for your kids to take to school, to keep that uplifting and wonderful feeling and immune health support during the day as well. It is a wonderful one for stress relief, because if you diffuse it, it can actually help reduce feelings of anxiety and overwhelm. And don't we all need that every day? So now let's get to the benefits and how you can use it effectively. Here are some of my favorite ways. Diffuse it for focus and energy. Diffuse it in your diffuser, as I said. Add a few drops to your diffuser for an uplifting atmosphere at home or at work. A DIY mood boosting hand rub. Place a few drops in your palms, rub it together, cup your hands over your nose and inhale it, and then the rest you are going to rub onto your palms. Make yourself a little roller bottle and use it as a DIY perfume. But remember, don't apply it in areas that are going to have sun. Use it between the breasts or on the palm areas where you're not going to have immediate sun, because it is an oil that can cause sun sensitivity if you go into the sun immediately. So then rather use it at night if you're going to do it like that. Hair and scalp refresh. Add 2 to 3 drops to your shampoo for cleaning and invigorating wash. Coffee infusion. Yes, you've heard me correct. Add a drop of wild orange oil to your coffee in the morning for a citrusy twist that smells absolutely amazing. Teeth whitening and oral health. Mix it with coconut oil for oil pulling. So take a tablespoon of either coconut oil or olive oil, and in the morning when you wake up, put a drop of wild orange, a drop of peppermint in there, and swish it in your mouth 5 to 10 minutes. Do not spit it into your basin. Spit it into your either into some cotton or into some towels and throw it in the bin, because it may clog your drain. It's going to remove any stains from the teeth, and also promote gum health and remove any plaque or anything remember, it's antibacterial, so it can remove any bacteria that's in your mouth that should not be there. Cooking and baking is another way, so use it in homemade salad dressings, in smoothies, or even cake icing for a fresh citrusy flavor. I love to use it when I make my brownies with peppermint. It tastes absolutely amazing. So let's not forget the emotional aspect. This oil is fantastic for stress relief, as I said, for productivity and even creativity. If you're feeling drained, wild orange can help bring out your inner child and reignite your enthusiasm for life. Whether it's for a stressful day at work, dealing with anxious feelings, or just needing a little joy in your day, this oil has your back. So there you have it. Wild orange essential oil is truly a must-have in any home. It's really not an expensive oil. It is a wonderful oil to use, whether you're using it for boosting your mood, cleaning your home, or supporting your immune system. It's one of those versatile oils that you'll keep reaching for, I promise you. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite citrus essential oil? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please be sure to subscribe, to like, and share this with someone who needs a little more sunshine in their life. See you next time.